Hi everyone, so this one is the Crafty Bear limited edition Mermaid craft box, and this is £11.95 a box. They release different ones each month now, they're doing different themes each time, and then you've got £1.95 postage, so it works out as £13.70. So this is what you get in the little set. Comes in this little A5 box, and it's got this really cute mermaid themed 9mm ribbon. It's single-sided, so there's that. It had these super cute like 3D resin charms. So it's got the two seashells with the little embellishments on there, and then these super cute little mermaid ones, and then it had this, it's got this holographic like mermaid. Can you see the shimmer on that? And then a mermaid themed leatherette, which is this one. You could sort of use it different ways, so you can use it sort of upside. It works both ways, so you can use it this way or that way, and the mermaids there'll always be enough mermaids right way up kind of thing. And then it's got this like padded mermaid scale. So you've got this one, this, your little charms, and your leatherette in this little box, so you can have a play around with them. I haven't decided yet because, like I said, I am a bugger. I don't cut and start playing with things until I have an idea in mind, because I don't like wasting material. So once I've got an idea in my head and I know what I want to do with things, then I will play around and have a look what I can do with this. Well, this is what comes in the little box, and like I said, this is the limited edition mermaid box from Crafty Bear. So I'll put the link in the description below if you want to purchase anything yourself, but they do lots of really cute like 3D resins and some embellishments that you won't see, I haven't seen in other places. So that is all in there. Thanks for watching, bye!